Hey y'all, how's it going? We're in the house today. It's Saturday, the 16th of January. We're going to put the big carb back together. As you can see, we did the polishing to the bore. It's really turned out nice. I hope you can see that. Went ahead and did the air filter adapter too, sanded on it because it was just like a rough cut. That deal we bought from eBay, and then went ahead and polished that up too. So once you get that all together, yeah, she looks real nice, you know. So figured we're gonna give a big carburetor on our KZ ICC a good test, right? And we know that the IAME 175, the super shifter, whatever you call it, has a 34 or 36 millimeter pump carb on it. More your standard, it's a Tillotson, so your standard pump stack go-kart engine carburetor. This is a little different, being that it's the Watercraft carburetor. It's a Keihin. As you can see, we got the pump stack cover here. I'm going to do this video in short bits because there's I want to show you first of all how it works, and then I'm going to start putting the kit in it, since we cleaned it up, and I'll show you how it all goes together as well. But a really neat little piece of engineering this carburetor is. It has its own pump, not just a pump stack, but it has its own fuel pump. This is a pulse line. This is your inlet, your fuel in. This is your fuel out. It has its own return. So what it does is the fuel comes in, comes out this little hole here, lined up here into this. It pumps it through, pumps it back out the other side and out this hole, which sends it up through this hole here, right? I hope you can see that. So in, out, into, through the pump and back out up through here. It comes up this pipe, this circuit here, and gets to this point here where it splits. It goes to the left and up to the underside of our needle and seat, and then splits off and goes return line back. So what you get is once the carburetor takes the amount of fuel that it needs, instead of the pump overcoming the spring pressure of the fulcrum arm, it's just going to send the fuel back. Path of least resistance, right? It's going to send the fuel back. So really, this is your first, what I was telling the guys that were here a little while ago, really your first smart carburetor, right? Or mechanical. It's not electronic, but pretty neat little setup here. So as we get going here, I'll put a little bit together, and then I'll show you what's going on next, and then we'll shut you off and put. So we'll probably do this in about 3 different parts, but we're going to go ahead and get the other pump gaskets on, the other plastic diaphragm piece. You can't see it because it's crystal clear, and the other seal, and we'll get that going, and then we'll work our way up. I'll show you the fulcrum arm plate gasket goes between here and here, and what we've got going on. So that'll be in the next one. The Keihin CDK2 high-speed, low-speed needle pump carburetor with auxiliary pump, or accelerator pump built right into it. So pretty cool piece. We'll bring you some more in just a minute. Hang in there, folks.